Rev-Trac's integration with the SAP Cloud ALM feature ensures that each SAP change is accurately traced from initiation through to deployment. By automatically creating linked features, updating statuses in real time, and enforcing transport controls, Rev-Trac streamlines SAP change management, providing clear, bi-directional traceability. This integration empowers stakeholders with full oversight of change progress, reducing manual tasks and ensuring that projects stay on track. In this demonstration, we'll be using Rev-Trac to migrate a change through a landscape consisting of an ED1 development, EQ1 quality, and EP1 production system, all while synchronizing statuses of an automatically created and updated Cloud ALM feature for full traceability of change. Let's make a start on this change by creating a new Rev-Trac request. This will be titled Fit to Standard Workshop Change 4 and be of the project type S4HANA Local. Rev-Trac's project and request types allows for tailored workflows, ensuring that each change aligns with the specific governance and compliance requirements. I've now generated Rev-Trac request number 2104. Heading to the SAP Cloud ALM tab, we see that an associated feature has automatically been created, which has feature ID of 6-809. This auto creation feature saves time, reduces manual work, and ensures immediate traceability across systems. After clicking the link and navigating to the SAP Cloud ALM screen, we can see the feature and a link back to the Rev-Trac request number 2104. With Rev-Trac, the bi-directional link between Rev-Trac and Cloud ALM gives stakeholders a unified view of change progress, enhancing transparency and reducing communication gaps. This feature is currently in the status of in specification, but this will update as we progress our change in Rev-Trac. In the Rev-Trac request, we'll update the status to in progress, indicating that we are beginning development. As this happens, the Cloud ALM feature automatically updates to in implementation. This real-time status update in Cloud ALM allows business stakeholders to track change progression without needing to check Rev-Trac separately, improving visibility and oversight. Back in Rev-Trac, we'll head to the technical tab and see that no transports have been added to this request just yet. So let's head to our SE38 transaction and make a change to this program, Z_December. Once I activate these changes and create a transport, I encounter Rev-Trac's enforcement screen, where I'm able to enter the number of the request created earlier in order for Rev-Trac to capture this transport. By automatically enforcing transport association, Rev-Trac helps to maintain compliance and ensures that only approved transports proceed through the workflow. Once I observe my transport number, head back to Rev-Trac, hit refresh, I can see that this transport has been added to the Rev-Trac request as we planned. Now, still in the developer's shoes, we can mark this status of development complete, signing and approving this step to allow our change to progress to the next stage. Using Rev-Trac, we'll now migrate this change to the quality system. We'll confirm that this change will migrate our transports to the target system, being EQ1. We can run some safety checks, sign and approve this action, and after a moment, we'll hit refresh and see the migration complete, with the change now marked as in QAS. Looking at our Cloud ALM feature, after refreshing the page, we can see that it has automatically updated to in testing. This synchronization eliminates the need for manual status updates, minimizing errors and ensuring both teams stay aligned as changes move through stages. Now I'll change roles and be in the shoes of a test manager. After the appropriate testing has taken place, I can head into Rev-Trac and improve the testing complete stage, which of course automatically updates the status of the Cloud ALM feature, this time to successfully tested. We'll now deploy this change to production. Rev-Trac has the capability to allow for gated or decentralized approvals, whereby an action can take place in another system to allow for an action in Rev-Trac to take place. For example, if a business has a process where a change advisory board must approve a change to be ready for production in SAP Cloud ALM, they can take the action in the feature, which will then automatically reflect in the Rev-Trac request. This flexibility allows organizations to align the workflows in Rev-Trac to existing processes and compliance regulations, safeguarding against unapproved change and reducing risk. Once the change is approved and ready for production, we can proceed with the deployment. We can confirm that this change will deploy to the EP1 system, run some final safety checks, sign and approve the change, and await the migration. After a short moment, we can see that the deployment to production is successful, marking the completion of this journey. Here, the Rev-Trac request status updates to complete, and in Cloud ALM, the feature status is now marked as deployed. We can also observe the feature traceability report, and find that our change has been added to the list of successful deployments to our production instance. Rev-Trac's integration with the Cloud ALM feature enables end-to-end visibility, efficient tracking, and reliable governance of SAP changes, making it an invaluable tool for managing complex change lifecycles. For more insights into how Rev-Trac can optimize your SAP change management or to explore additional capabilities, visit us at revtrac.com.